Hello, Alyona.
Hi, Englicorn. You look puzzled. What's on your mind?
Well, I was trying to read a new book, and I recognized I see, you have, we can. But then I found more words that I didn't understand, and now I'm stuck.
That's okay, Englicorn. Those are our next sight words, and we're going to learn them together. This is and.
And
It's a small word that holds things together. This is the.
the,
It helps us point out something specific. This is to.
to,
It shows direction or purpose. This is a. It introduces something new, like a star. This is in.
in.
It tells us where something is. Now, let's practice reading with our new sight words. Englicorn, can you read this sentence for us?
The cat is in the box.
You are doing great, Englicorn. Let's try another sentence.
A ball and a teddy bear.
Fantastic, Englicorn! Today you've learned new sight words that will help you read and enjoy so many stories. Every word you learn opens up a world of new adventures in reading. Keep practicing and soon we'll explore even more sight words together.